Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today we've got this Tapo mini smart Wi-Fi socket from TP-Link. Control it with Alice, control it from Google Assistant or the Alexa. Just say, hey Google, turn on my smart plug, or Alexa, turn off my smart plug. Remote control, you can control this device from anywhere with a Tapo app. It doesn't matter if you are at the home or outside. You can schedule and timer, place a schedule to automatically manage devices, create a countdown timer list for connected electronics. Easy to set up and use, no hub required, set up quickly and manage easily through the Tapo app. Of course, I'm going to download the app, connect it, and I will guide you through all the process how you can use this smart plug. Of course, you need a 2.4 GHz network for connection to your router. And of course, you can share this device and to your family. They need to download the Tapo app and start using this device. Live smarter with a mini smart Wi-Fi socket. Yes, we will do that. There are so many devices that you can control with this smart plug. Lights, fan, coffee machine, your toaster. The maximum load is 2300 watt, 10 amps. And of course it has a Bluetooth 4.2 for the first connectivity. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and how we can use it, connect it to our network and find out more about the device. Some manual inside, if you want to read it is your choice, but stay with me, gonna find out all about this product. And there's the plug, nothing else at the box. Nice, I like it. Press the power button to turn on or off the socket. Press and hold the power button for at least 5 seconds to restore your smart socket to factory default settings and re-enable setup mode. Cute and beautiful smart plug. Well, let's download the Tapo app and start the whole process for connecting to our network. Okay, I have downloaded the app, make an account, plug it to the power, add the device. We need plugs. Tapo P100, already orange or green. There we've got the LED, we need to wait, and it is orange and green. Next, enable. You need to choose a 2.4 GHz network. Next, and I hear a click. Device name, you can rename your device. Next. Let's say living room. Next. Choose an icon for your Tapo device. Okay, next. Almost done. You've configured your Tapo device. Make sure you're using the latest firmware. Check firmware. It is available. You can update now. And it's doing a firmware update right now. Just waiting. And there we are. Smart plug. It was so easy to add your new smart plug device.
I found smart plug from the Tapo skill, and you can control it by saying, turn on smart plug.
Great, and this is Alexa, it just found the device. We can see we've got the smart plug, we can turn it on off. You can hear the click. Let's go to the settings. Of course, you can turn it on off from here. Nice. Let's go to the settings. You can choose again an icon. You can rename your device. Living room location, custom location. LED control, auto, off, night mode. That's very helpful. It is very friendly at the night. You can see here the LED. You can switch it at this option. Default state. The plug will go to the state it was in when it was last connected to a power source. If a schedule has been set, the plug state will follow the schedule, last on state, on or off, the device info and the firmware version. Here you can schedule, add a schedule, sunrise, sunset, custom time, choose the time, turn device on or off, and repeat every day. Choose what day you want and save. Away mode, set a period of time during which the Tapo device will be randomly turned on and off to make it seem like someone is in home. That is a very good option. And you can choose, of course, again the sunrise, sunset, custom time, next day, and choose the days of the week or all the days. And start. Away mode is active and stop. And the timer. You can set timer when it will turn on or off in 1 hour 5 minutes. You can go to 23 hours and 59 minutes and start and stop. Very friendly to the user, all the options that it can offer this app about this Tapo device, and of course you can switch it on or off manually. Great. Now I have this toaster. It has a huge power consumption, 2000 watt. Let's plug it in. Maximum. Alexa, turn on smart plug.
Okay.
Great. And definitely it can handle the watt. Maximum it is 2300 watts. The toaster it is 2000 watt. Alexa, turn off smart plug.
Okay.
And it is off. Okay Google, turn on smart plug.
Alright, turning on smart plug.
Thank you.
That makes me so happy. You're most welcome.
Now, okay Google, turn off smart plug.
Got it. Turning smart plug off.
Thank you, you're so helpful.
Assistance accomplished. Huzzah.
Or you can control your light source. Plug it in and turn on or turn off. Okay Google, turn on smart plug.
Alright, turning on smart plug.
Turn off smart plug.
Alright, turning smart plug off.
You can use it to turn on or off your coffee machine, make a schedule, and you will have your coffee at the morning. You can use it to turn on or off your Christmas tree, your outside lighting decoration. Of course, you need to install it in a place where there is no contact with water. You can use it when you are charging your smartphone at the night, as am I doing. I'm charging my phone at the night, and I don't like my smartphone to plug it in all the night. I have made a schedule, and at 4 o'clock at the morning it will shut down my smart plug and no more power it will give to my smartphone. And that's how I have protected my smartphone at the night after fully charged. You can schedule to turn on or off your security lights outside at your store or at your garden, backyard, to your home. It depends where you want to install this smart plug. There are so many applications and options that you can use this smart plug. And for me, I like that we've got a voice assistant from Google and Alexa. Well guys, if you need to buy it, it costs only 10 euros. The price is very low and the possibilities and options to use this device is unlimitless. Definitely you will find the right one that it suits better to you. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my video, your choice, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.